Good morning. My name is Jouk Pleiter. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Backbase. I'm here together with David Singh, our VP of Sales. Backbase is a software company. We help our customers in financial services to optimize their online channels. Quick question to you. Who of you is familiar with iGoogle? Most of you. What does it mean? Just like iGoogle is actually transforming and revolutionizing the way consumers work with their personal start page, Backbase is actually revolutionizing the way financial services can interact with their customers online. If you look at what Backbase is going to demo, we call it a next generation portal. Just like iGoogle, but you can run it inside your own data center. You can use it on top of your existing content, on top of your existing data, and on top of your existing applications. And next generation portal will enable you to make a more customer-centric online web application environment. What are the challenges we are solving for our clients in financial services? Well, the first challenge they have is that in the last 10 years, they built a large amount of websites and applications. But most of these websites are still one size fits all. With Backbase Portal, we can actually help our clients to transform these websites in a my size fits me, a personalized, relevant online financial services environment. The second challenge we have, and we see with our clients, is actually that they already have a lot of data about their clients, about their preferences, about their behavior, but they're still relatively limited in the way they can use this data. With Backbase Rich Portal, we help them to use and to make the online experience more personalized and more customer-centric. David, maybe you can give a demo.
Great. Good morning. Backbase Next Generation Portal can be implemented for any kind of e-business application. For the purposes of today's demonstration, I'm going to show you an online banking portal. I logged in as Chris. Chris is 23 years old, just graduated from college. She moved to New York and has her first job. And as a bank, you know a lot of information about Chris. You know she only has a checking account, only a savings account. She has outstanding student loans. And with Backbase Next Generation Portal, you could auto-generate a personalized portal experience for her. So first of all, during the demonstration, please keep in mind, you would implement this with your own look and feel, your own branding, your own content and applications. I really want you to focus on the personalization capabilities that we're showing to you. So for Chris, we have pushed out specific widgets to her. And these widgets can be from your existing applications. They could be from third parties. They could also be custom developed, just as easy as building any other web application. So for example, we have a widget here showing how she uses her money. We show her how she's spending her money on a monthly basis. And we also have specific tabs tied to her checking account, savings account, and student loans. So the key here is that we're personalizing and pushing out targeted information to Chris based upon her situation. We also want to provide tailored and customized guidance for her. So for Chris, we know she's 23 years old. We want to ensure that she has a solid credit score from day one. So we're actually pushing out guidance and advice about how to manage her credit score and how to manage her finances. So the key here is to remember that every individual is unique, and as a bank, you want to utilize their personal information to tailor and target information for them. But we also want to empower Chris to take greater control of her finances herself. So we'll enable Chris to open up a new tab, and I'll just rename this to be Chris's Tools. And here we have a set of optional widgets that are available to her based upon her profile or her data. So Chris might want to tailor her own portal experience with, for example, a My Goals widget, or maybe the ability to donate money to charity, or even a My Spending widget. So Chris is tailoring her own experience to meet her needs. And these widgets are interactable. I could expand them. I could collapse them. I could also move them around and lay them out to fit my specific needs. The key here is we want to make the portal specifically for Chris. This is Chris's portal. So once again, I want to remind you before I move forward that the look and feel, the branding, the content, the applications, that's all customizable by you. We just want you to focus on the personalization aspects of this demo. I'll log out, and I'll log back in as Alex. Now, Alex has a different profile than Chris. Alex is 45, he's a father, he's a husband, he's got 2 kids. What's important to him is that he saves money for his kids' college education, and also that he could save towards retirement. So first of all, Backbase auto-generates an entirely new personal portal experience for him. You can see I have a different set of tabs. In this case, I have also tabs for investments and retirement. I have different widgets showing his net worth. I also have different promotions and advertising targeting him. Because Alex is saving towards retirement and has a home mortgage, we have a widget here showing that he could refinance his home mortgage, and also an advertisement talking about the 529 college plan. The guidance is also tailored specifically for Alex. So in this case, he's being pushed out a 529 calculator and also information on how to diversify his portfolio. Since Alex is an investment customer with the bank, we're also pushing out a My Investments tab. And realize Chris did not have this. She was not a brokerage customer for the bank. So everything is tailored for Alex. And lastly, Alex can once again add his own tab. And I will call this Alex's Tools. And now we can tailor this with customized content. So just as before, where Chris had her own personal library of content she could pull on, now Alex has his own tailored content. Very different from Chris because he has a different profile, different data. So in this case, he's going to stick on a retirement calculator and also a refinance calculator. And once again, that's completely customizable by him. So the key here is we want to give your customers the ability to create their own personal portals and essentially have a my-size-fits-me experience versus a one-size-fits-all.
It's really an environment that you can put on top of your existing systems and content. And actually, the idea is actually you can repurpose information you already have and transform these assets in a more personalized environment for your end customer. So that's one. The second thing you can do with a next generation portal is actually you can compete better in this Web 2.0 world where consumers more and more actually demand a personalized, customer-centric type of approach. Actually, bottom line, if you look at the overall marketplace, if you look at iGoogle, if you look at the iPhone with personalized experiences, there's this trend that personalization and superior online customer experiences will be the game changer for financial services in the next couple of years. Thank you very much.
Good job.